Our world is going through an extraordinary shift as we move into the new millennium. A whole new set of values and beliefs is starting to emerge, but the process is filled with confusion. For the last 200 years, we have treated the earth as our possession, ready to be exploited. Now we're discovering the living earth, and are aware that only with a commitment to ecology can humanity hope to survive. For centuries, we have assumed that national boundaries separated us. But now, we're discovering that we all have much more in common than we ever thought. That we are fundamentally one human family. In spite of religious beliefs, most people have lived in fear of physical death. But as science and religion grow closer, there is mounting evidence of the reality of an invisible spiritual world. That new awareness will free humanity to experience the healing connection of spirit and mind with the body, and it will allow peace to be a realistic hope for the world. This inward transformation of the hearts and minds of people everywhere was predicted by the clairvoyant and spiritual philosopher Edgar Cayce more than 60 years ago. It was back then that Cayce foresaw other kinds of turbulent times just ahead for humanity. He predicted 4 decades, 1958 to 1998, of radical transformation. We have experienced and are still experiencing that transformation. Culminating in 1998, Cayce envisioned that the world would be ready to take a quantum leap into a new way of thinking. It is at this time that our connections to the earth, to each other, and to the spiritual realm would begin to play a more powerful role in our survival. As we stand in the midst of this transformation, it's important to remember that these ideas are not just for a handful of innovators or leaders, but that they are ideas and ideals that all of us can apply to our everyday living.